Alright, so part 3 asks us to kind of make a hand motion sensing paper towel dispenser, but 3 dispensing sizes. We want it to set to line C, line B, and line A. So far you've done line A, but now we've got to have it be able to pick between A, B, or C. Let's figure that out. So for our programming, we're going to just have to kind of have it run continually, like before, runs forever. But it's going to have to decide to run a size A or a B or a C, and we're going to do that by having it use this contraption called a potentiometer. What that is, think of it like a dial that we can turn, and it has an input range of from 0 up to 4095. So it's got 4095 possible settings. Those are up front by the limit switches and the line followers. Here's a picture of one. The opening here, you put an axle into it to act as a handle, then you can twist and spin. That's what I would do. Grab one potentiometer, plug an axle in, and that be your handle. Okay? So I want to have this whole program repeat. I want to have it have 3 possible settings, so I'm going to have it decide. It's going to say, well, if the potentiometer is set to one setting, it's going to run one length of paper. It's going to say if the potentiometer is set to the other setting, it runs the other size paper. And if the potentiometer is set to the third setting, or that size. So 3 possible sizes. I kind of want to make this here easy to figure out, so I'm going to label all these. I'm going to put a label in all 3 of these, throw a label in there, just so I know what's going on. I missed, throw a label in here. Oh, just delayed. You go here. I'm going to have this be my size, let's go C paper, which is that short bottom line. You can see the volume paper, that's C. I want to have, watch the mouse being crazy. There we go. This be my B size paper. Again, these are the labels. The program won't run this code. It's just a way for you to kind of mark a chapter, like in the book, or mark code. Now I have, there's my B, my C, my A. Enough my A size, I need to have my, oops, wrong language. There we go. That's fine for now. I need to have my motor start. My motor is going to run for a certain amount of time. And my motor is going to stop. So this should be the exact same numbers you use for your A-size paper. It's going to run the full length. But in this case, it's not going to work. I got to build the C first. So I want to go to C first, which is the short paper. So I got to figure out how long the motor is going to run to go from the bottom edge up to line C. I need to set up some stuff here. I have my clicker switch called Go. I have my motor called Steve. I have my hand motion sensor we're going to call Hand. He's a line follower. And I'm going to have this thing I'm going to turn, which is my potentiometer, which is a potentiometer. So my hand motion sensor, my turning device. I have my reset button called Go, my motor called Steve. I'm ready. So now I'm going to say here, I say, hey, if this potentiometer setting, the sensor value of it is a certain number, it's going to run a certain program. And I want to have mine be less than or equal to. So if that sensor value is less than or equal to, I'm going to say like 25. So I'm turning it way, way, way down. It's just going to run this size paper. Okay. There it goes. I had to do a spell check. Now it's happy. I'm not going to program B and A yet. I'm going to first figure out C. So it says repeat forever. If I turn my potentiometer down to a number less than or equal to 25, it's going to run this code. If I turn my potentiometer value to a value, I'm going to go less than or equal to kind of middle of the number. It goes from 0 to 4095. Let's go right in the middle. How about like 2450? Then it's going to run this B code, and if my potentiometer sensor value is less than or equal to, let's go wide open, 4095. I'm going to go one notch higher, because in case I'm on that, I'm going to go 4100, bigger than it. It's going to run that. Do a quick spell check again, clear the codes, now we're ready. So right now, if I plug my robot in, download the robot, and I turn my debugger window on, turn the sensors on, I'll see down here my potentiometer numbers. I'm going to download the robot, run the program, make this chunk here true, so I'll turn my numbers to a number less than this, and let's get C to work. When C works, we'll go to B. But here's the weird part. To get to B, I got to run this code through C to get to B. So I want to have these numbers paired with these numbers to get to B. When you get here, I'll help you out. So again, same kind of code. It's starting the motor, it's waiting, it's stopping. This will get to B. Then I'll work on this work for C. Then I'll go to B. Then I go to A. But ultimately, I want to have the whole thing not go until I have this hand motion sensor, and I gotta find the number that works for me. I think mine is 2476, and mine is called Go. Some hand waves, then it decides, is that one true? Is that one true? Is that one true? Whichever one is true, it's gonna run. When it's done running paper towels, I'm gonna wait until I have my reset button clicked. And mine is called, clicker was called Go. My until light was called Hand. This number here is a delay time. How long is it going to delay after I click before it triggers? I want no delay to go right away. So now, with my hand, it decides who's true. Ones that are will run. It waits. I click. It resets. So I can turn my dial to make this one true, or that one true, or that one true. Determine if I want to go to my C size, B size, or A size. So there's the beginnings of the paper towel part 3 lab.